What's happening, everybody? All right, so let's take a look at these factory reproduction FR66 flow form wheels for your Mopar. One of the things I like about these wheels is the fact that they are inset, not like the factory wheels themselves where they don't really have much of a dish. Also, notice how those spokes terminate just inside the barrel of that wheel, giving that tire and wheel combination a much more full appearance. Much better than stock. Here's a shot of the rears here, guys. By the way, the tire sizes are the stock 275/40/20 fronts with 295/40/20 rears. It gets you an idea for what that looks like coming around the side there of the car. There you go. Trying to get you guys as many angles as I can. Apparently we've got some critics back there in the form of some seagulls. Car looks really good from this 3/4 shot. You can see that those wheels and tire combinations in the back, they're not bulging. Fill the wheel well very well. Very consistent looking wheel well openings. Once again, guys, here's a shot from the rear so you can see the amount of, or lack thereof, bulging from the fender. Again, the rears are a Falcon, a Zenus FK 510, size 295/40/20. And here you guys are again with that front shot. I really like this combination. Nice and subtle. The tires do not look all rubber bandy, especially with the spokes terminating like that. Gives the impression that the wheel's actually smaller than it is, to my eye anyway. Really good looking in person. I'm sure that these shots are really not doing the car justice. Okay, guys, so now that you've seen them, let me tell you a little bit more about them. So sized in 20x9.5 up front, 20x10.5 out back, rocking the stock Hellcat size 275/40/20s up front. Again, in the rear, we're running 295/40s out back. Again, also in the 20-inch wheel size. Now, the thing about these rims is that they are actually lighter than cast by a significant amount. If memory serves me correctly, they're about 5 pounds per wheel lighter than those cast Demon wheels that I had on the car, also from factory reproductions. And to be very fair, guys, these wheels are not very expensive, but the quality seems to be quite a bit better than their cast counterparts. Another thing, they balanced out very easily. They didn't have to use very much weight when they took the tires off of the other wheels and put them on these. It just worked out to where the wheels balanced out better than their cast counterparts. So lots of upside with no real downside. I am loving the look of these anniversary replica wheels on my car. I think they really do set the car off a little bit, and the look of them is exactly what I was going for. Those spokes terminate inside the hub, makes the wheel seem a little bit smaller as compared to the stock slingshots, which really does spread the look of that wheel out, makes the wheel actually look bigger than what it really is. Looking for more of a muscle car look, but with a little bit of class, if you will. And those anniversary wheels really do fit the bill. And now that you can get them from factory reproductions in a narrow body configuration, I highly suggest, if you're looking for wheels, give these a shot. So with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Oh, if you're wondering about cost, they're about $315 for the fronts and about $330 for the rears as of the time of this video. So now, with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Hope you like the new kicks. And with that, that's a wrap. Adios.